What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a Gemini Jets airport update of Colorado Springs. We do have a few new routes in this airport update, and I'm super excited to get us started. So we'll dive straight into it. If you do enjoy this airport update, please consider subscribing to the channel for more airport updates in the future. We will start off on the runway here. Today we have reverse ops. On the runway we have this Frontier Airbus A321 in the Steve the Eagle livery. This aircraft is taking off and getting to rotate before it heads out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. I did just get back from Phoenix Sky Harbor a few days ago, so expect a trip report coming very soon. Second in line for departure, we have this Southwest 737-700. This aircraft is in the new livery, or the Heart livery. It is just pulling onto the runway after the Frontier Airlines has fully rotated, and it'll be heading out to San Antonio, which is a new route for Southwest Airlines that they released about a week or two ago, and I wanted to incorporate it into the airport update. So this will be heading out to San Antonio. And the final aircraft taxiing is this United Express CRJ-200. Very small aircraft, as you can see. It is third in line for departure and will be heading out to Denver, Colorado. Before we move on to the terminal, I did want to mention I will be doing another giveaway coming very soon. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel. I'm thinking about doing one at 4,200 subscribers. Another 5 model giveaways, so there'll be 5 different winners. But starting off at the terminal, we have this Frontier Airbus A320neo in the Bluebird tail. Pushing back out of the gate very shortly. It is currently getting catered as well as the passengers loading on, and it'll be heading out to Las Vegas. Next up, we have this United Express CRJ-700 in the new livery. This aircraft is pushing back in about 10 minutes for a flight out to Chicago ORD, and also arrived in from Chicago. Next up, we have this United Express Embraer E145. This aircraft is in the old livery and is offloading the passengers as well as offloading the baggage as it just arrived in from Los Angeles. And last but not least, for the United regional aircrafts, we have this United CRJ-200. This aircraft will be heading out to Los Angeles as well, and it arrived in from Chicago ORD. And before we get to this United aircraft pushing back, I did want to mention one more thing, and that is I have a new affiliate link in my description. This is not an advertisement or anything. I just wanted to shout out that new affiliate link. So next time you order models, if you would like to help support me so I can buy more models for more giveaways for you guys, click that link in the bio. It is no extra charge. You just order your models and I get a small percentage of it. It helps support me a lot, and that's how I can give back to you guys. So right here we have this United Airbus A319 in the new livery. This aircraft is pushing back for a flight out to Denver, Colorado. Next up, we have this Southwest 737-800 in the old Canyon Blue livery. This aircraft just arrived in from Phoenix Sky Harbor and will be heading back out to Phoenix Sky Harbor shortly. You can see it is getting the aircraft fueled up. Now for another new route to Denver, we have this Southwest 737-700 with the split scimitar winglets. This aircraft is loading on passengers as well as the servicing truck, as you can see right behind it. And this aircraft will be heading out to Dallas Love Field, which I did mention is a new route. And moving on to our last Frontier aircraft, we have this Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft just arrived in from Las Vegas and will be pushing back shortly and has the catering truck catering and will be heading out to Orlando. And then right next to the empty gate, we have this Delta Connection Bombardier CRJ-700, also known as the Mitsubishi 700. This aircraft is fueling up and will be heading out to Salt Lake City. Currently they are using the CRJ-200, but I do not have that aircraft. I am hoping Delta will re-announce the Atlanta route very soon. And for the last aircraft at the terminal, we have this American 737-800 in the chrome livery. This aircraft just arrived into the gate from Dallas-Fort Worth and will be heading back out to Dallas-Fort Worth. I absolutely love this chrome livery, and I'm thinking about making this one of my giveaway models so you guys can win one of these as well. And right over here at our cargo section, we have this FedEx 757-200 or 757 freighter. This aircraft is loading the baggage on, or the cargo onto the aircraft, and it'll be pushing back shortly for its flight out to Grand Junction, Colorado, which is about a 35-minute flight. That does conclude this Gemini Jets airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did end up liking the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it does help support me and means a lot to me. It's free and you can change your mind at any time. Also, so you can see more videos like this and my huge like 300 gate Denver airport once it's finished. That is something you will not want to miss. So I hope you guys enjoy this airport update, and I hope to see you again in the next video. So thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day / night wherever you are from, and goodbye.